And so that is what I want to really talk about today is how to take your idea to income and, how to validate your demand, finding your target market and your audience out there that will pay for what you offer. And then, whether you have products or services, you have to create an offer. Do you have a clear offer that is where your clients have to, they have to buy it. It's like they have the fear of missing out if they don't, because it's so good that what you're offering. And so having multiple offers may be the same product or service. And then how you can scale your business and grow your revenue and even have multiple streams of revenue. Let's see. Okay. Sorry about that. Trying to figure out the technology on my own computer. How's that? And so, why AI? First of all, give me a show of hands. How many in the room use AI or are familiar with AI? Awesome. Awesome. And so, AI is a force multiplier that it's like we have been waiting for. I can remember the days when I started my business 7 years ago that I would get up and I'd work from 7, 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. because I had all these things as a business owner I was trying to do. And I didn't have AI. And so I built everything out from scratch. And I'm like, now that, AI can help you build out an offer in minutes versus maybe taking you hours or weeks to build out. And that's what I have noticed that has helped give me time back in my life. And the veterans and business owners I have helped, it's helped give them time back in their life so they can focus more on making that revenue and getting those clients. And so one of the things that, as you have used AI, um, you can go out there and you can get data faster and you can go through it and you can figure out exactly what your target audience needs and what their pains are and how you can help solve their problem. And so when you find out all those things and you validate this demand that they have a need for, now you can understand your buyers and build out that target avatar or buyer persona, um, or client profile, whatever you might call it, that they're all one and the same. And so then when you have these information, you're stacking your information. So now you're able to design your offers. And when you design your offers, then things are going to start moving for you because you have multiple ways that your clients can work with you. Right now, how many of you have multiple offers or multiple products or services that you offer? Okay, good. And so then, this helps you plan your revenue. So, like if you wanted to have a six-figure year, you can go back to each month and figure out, okay, this is how many talks I need to give, or this is how many clients I need to get to coach, or this clients I need to do my course or sign up for my course or do a boot camp or whatever it may be. And then um, and so then this here helps you model your revenue. I call it my financial forecasting. I do a lot of regression analysis to help project my income. And then that way, another benefit AI has is it helps you build everything faster, your content, your scripts, your funnels, your frameworks, with all these tools. But one thing I'll caution you, AI does not replace you. You still need to be authentic, show up as yourself, and your AI is helping you build out who you are in your business.